So today we are at George Fisher, Belgium, in Brussels. We organized a marketing event in order to launch our new infrared welding machine type 63 M.
A nice welcome, a very good explanation with a nice PowerPoint presentation. Not too complex, just keep it to the core. That's the way I like it, even in my job with the technical part. So they're doing a great job.
It's nice to see what are the possibilities and what are the advantages and what is not possible yet.
GF is the inventor of the infrared welding technology. Our first machine was launched in 1992. Today we have the new version, the IR-63 M, as a successor for the IR-63 Plus machine. So of course the new machine has some innovations. For example, the first big advantage is that we can weld now also PVCU material. For the moment everything is glued, cold welded, but in the future IR welding technology will be common, so as well also for PVCU material.
One of the main advantages of the infrared welding technology is actually the software guidance of the welder. The idea is to standardize the process and to help and to guide the welder through the full process.
Il y a toujours une évolution relativement intéressante pour que la qualité des soudures soit de plus en plus intéressante et aussi gagner du temps.
If they would give the job to me, I would do it immediately because I save a lot of time.
The team is happy to introduce the machine to you. You get your hands on and you can try it out and you will be happy to use it.